Hey there, I have a message for you. Did you know I have hundreds of detailed tutorials showing on a step-by-step in how to cut and style all types of hair in my app? Plus, you can be part of a private community where you can ask all your questions directed to me and, of course, connect with barbers all over the world. If you want to become a barber with a high performance and make six-figure a year, join us. The link is on the description on this video. Let's talk about the head shave. In today's video, I will explain to you how do you execute in detail from start to finish, preparation, during and after, how to execute a head shave. Start with my trimmers. I'm going to bring it down very low before my process. Very smooth, back and forward with the trimmers. You also can use, if the hair is a little bit longer and has more density, what you can do, you can use your clippers as well. Preparation is key. And also your client came for the experience, okay? You cannot, even if your client asks for just the head shave with using clippers only, trimmers only, or with a shaver, make sure you give them the whole experience. By using just a shaver and the clippers or trimmers, he can do it at home by himself. Why I'm debulking with the trimmer? Because I need to see what is under all this hair, because shaving a head is very sensitive. It's very delicate, because under this amount of hair that I just debulk, we can have flaws, we can have grooves, moles, and if you don't do that and you go straight with the razor, you can cut. Can be very sensitive, and you can cut the moles. It can be very sensitive. So it's very important to clean out the area, make sure the head is clean, the cape is clean, behind the ears, the neck is very clean without hair, because if you apply something wet, it's gonna be damp and everything is gonna get glued to his skin and it's gonna be a mess. So make sure everything's clean first before you start the process. Now, I'm gonna still drape my clients to protect his skin. Now it's time to apply the first step, which is going to be a few drops of a beard oil. Now it's time to apply the shaving cream. Now it's time for the hot towel. Now it's time for the relaxation. Make sure my client, he deserves. Make sure he's gonna get the best experience ever. While you're waiting for the hot towel shoot the hot steam, you're massaging and you're making his experience much better. So now I'm going to use my first time shave, which is going to be, I'm gonna place the towel here because I'm gonna use the dampness and the wet of the towel to keep moisture before I shave. Now, first time shave, I'm gonna follow the grain, very smooth. Place your braid, repeat, just following the grain. Just make the skin firm and keep gliding with the blade. If the head starts drying out, use the towel to keep having the skin moisture to continue the shave. I just finished my first time over shave following the grain, but if you touch the skin, I can still feel some hair, but you need to analyze if the skin is gonna allow you to do the second time over shave which is gonna be the close shave. It's gonna go down to the skin, against the grain, to make sure there's no hair there, and it's gonna be smooth as glass. I'm going to apply another round of shaving cream. I'm gonna apply the second towel. You feel the towel. If the towel is getting colder, it's about the time to remove and start shaving. I'm gonna keep massaging my client. First time over shave, I use my straight razor, which does one blade. I did following the grain, and you can also do against the grain, but it's very awkward and it's gonna make your life difficult. What I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna use a safe razor. Why safe? Because you can go into grooves, different direction without harm and nick your client. So now I felt the skin and the shaving cream is a little dry, so now I'm gonna make it damp and moisture with the towel still. Stretch it, hold it, the skin. I don't know if you noticed, but in one side of the head, because this is a full blade that I'm using here, and one side of the head I use one side of the blade and the other is very sharp. I switch sides. A quick reminder that the first time over shave is you're not gonna remove the hair 100%. The second time over shave, which we used already our safe razor, we do use against the grain, and then you're gonna move down to the skin, all the hair, 100%. So now I'm going to apply an aftershave. Apply my toner now with the mist. It's gonna shoot a very cooling mist into his skin to remove the residue and the excess of products before you apply your balm. So now I'm going to apply the balm. If there's any leftover, if there's any excess of product, in this case was the balm, just clean the surface of the skin. The last step, I use a calming powder. Okay, I just finished here all the Invictus standard process of shaving the head, the full process in detail, and I see you guys in the next class.